Hi! Welcome to our Music 8th class. It's me again, Teacher Angel. This time, we are going to learn one Southeast Asian song. So be prepared, get ready, because we are going to be singers. The song that we're going to learn this time is called Si Patokaan. This is a folk song coming from the country Indonesia. Before actually singing the song, let us have a brief background first. This song features a mother story sending a farewell to her son, si Patokaan, who is all grown up and is setting out on his journey to get a job. She is praying for her son's good fortune with a few words of encouragement. It is not easy to leave home and go far away. The mother in this song tells about a sense of loss, pain, and death, aiming to let her son learn about the real world he is about to enter. She is showing various difficulties which will stand in his way and gives some sincere advice on a cautious attitude. In other words, the title of the song is the name of the son of the mother that is telling in the story. And just like what your parents or your teachers are doing, they always remind you to do good. And if you have failure, you stand up. And you should also be careful in whatever you do because they always think of you. They want you to have a better future, to have a brighter future. So that's it. That's a brief background of the story. Now, it is very important to review some basic concepts in music as one of the basic steps on how to learn a song. So, let's get started. This is a musical score or a musical sheet of the song Si Patokaan. Can you tell me the symbols present in the song? Okay, let's start with the very first symbol in the staff. The first one is what we call the G clef or the treble clef. It is a symbol at the beginning of the staff that encircles the second line of the staff, indicating where the G is located. So it looks like a stylized letter G. It is a G with a bit of style that encircles the second line. Why does it encircle the second line? Because it denotes that the second line is G or the sol in the staff. Okay, we're done with the G clef. Let's proceed to the next symbol that we can see. We have here the 4/4 or the time signature. Time signature is 4/4. And what does 4/4 mean? The upper 4 means there are 4 beats in one measure, and the lower 4 means the quarter note receives 1 beat. Remember, there are values. So the notes have corresponding values. The whole note or the whole rest have 4 beats. Half note, half rest, 2 beats. Quarter note or quarter rest, 1 beat. Eighth note or eighth rest, 1/2 beat. And 16th note or 16th rest, 1/4 beat. Okay, so it is very understandable that in one measure there will be one whole rest or whole note or 4/4 note or 2/2 note as long as it has 4 beats in one measure. Okay, so the lower part here always denotes of the note that receives 1 beat. Always remember that. Okay, we are done with the time signature. Let's go to, okay, the measure. So how do we know that it's the end of the measure? The measures are divided by a bar line, so we can easily count how many measures this song have. Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. So it has 16 measures. So let's count how many beats does the first measure have. Let's have here half plus 1 plus half equals 2 plus 1 equals 3 plus half equals 4 beats. So you can count the beats in each measure if you want. Okay, because we are done with the time signature, let's proceed to the notes present in the song. We have here eighth note, the quarter note, the dotted quarter note, the eighth rest, and the quarter rest. Let's review how many beats does each note receives. Eighth note, half beat. Quarter note, one beat. Dotted quarter note, 1.5 beat. Why does this have a half beat? Because the dot here receives half of the original value of the note. The original value is 1, and 1/2 of 1 is 1/2. So 1 plus 1/2 equals 1 and 1/2. Quarter rest. It has 1 beat, and the eighth rest, half beat. Easy, right? Okay, because we are done with the notes, the other symbols, let's have the key. We cannot sing if we do not know the key. So how do we know the key of a song? So look at that. The G clef and the time signature. There's no sharp or any flat in between them. That means that it is in a key of C. In a key of C, we will sing the tones in the staff as it is. What do we mean by that? So, like that. We have your C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, or Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti, Do. Key of C is the easiest key to sing. Now, let's have the whole song again because we are going to read the lyrics or the words of the song. Sayang-sayang si Patukaan, mitigo-tigo gurukan sayang. Sayang-sayang si Patukaan, mitigo-tigo gurukan sayang. Sa kumange mo antana jawu, mingi mo milelekyako sayang. Sa kumange mo antana jawu, mangi mo mileleklako sayang. So that's how we read it. You can read it slowly if you want, because you can repeat any part of this video if you want. So you will be able to sing the song properly. Let's have this. The eighth note is T, sound as T. The quarter note sounds ta. The dotted quarter note sounds ta. And the two rests here have no sound or just thumbs up. So it's have here T, ta, ta, a. Okay? Now, let's try to clap this one. So, are you ready? Okay. Tita, tita, titita, atita, titita, atita, titita, atita. Tita, tita, titita, atita, titi. Ta, atita, titita, atita. Titita, ta, ta, titita, atita, titita, atita, titita, ta, ta, titita, ta, ta, titita, atita, titita, atita, titita, atita. Okay, so we're done clapping with the sound ti, ta, ta, a, and okay. So this time we are going to clap while reading the lyrics or the words, not the sounds anymore. Okay, let's start. Sayang, sayang si Patukaan, mitigo-tigo gurukan sayang. Sayang, sayang si Patukaan, mitigo-tigo gurukan sayang. Sa kumangi mo antana jawo mingi mo mele lekyako sayang. Sa kumangi mo antana jawo mangi mo mele lekyako sayang. Okay, we're done clapping while reading the lyrics. That's why this time we're going to sing the tones. The first tone is Do. How do we sing this in a key of C? So we will sing Do to Do. So we will have high Do first, Do until low Do. Do, Do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do. So this time, we shall not consider the rhythm first. So we shall familiarize the tone first because I understand that we cannot automatically get the tone. Okay? So we have here do, do, so, mi, re, do, fa, mi, re, do, ti, la, ti, do, re, do, so, mi, re, do, fa, mi, re, do, ti, la, ti, do, la, do, ti, la, so, do, mi, la, so, fa, mi, re, so, fa, mi, fa, la, do, ti, la, so, do, ti, do, mi, do, ti, la, ti, do. Okay, so that's how we're going to sing the tones. You can repeat this part if you want so you can master or you can familiarize the tone. You can also do it while playing the piano. Okay, because we are already done with singing the tones, clapping, getting familiar with the rhythm, let's have the beat. It is very important to know the beat so you will not be off beat. So you will maintain the rhythm as you sing the song. Okay, so because we have here 4/4 time signature, this is how we are going to beat. Down, inside, outside, up. Down, inside, outside, up. If you're doing it with your right hand, down, left, right, up. Down, left, right, up. If you are doing it with your left hand, down, right, left, up. Down, right, left, up. Okay, because we already got the beat, let's sing the song. Are you ready? So how do we sing this in a key of C? So let's have from high do to low do. Do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do. Sa, do. And then let's have 4 preparatory beats. Sa, do. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do. Do, sa. Sayang, si Patokaan, mitigo-tigo, gurukan. Sayang, si Patokaan, mitigo-tigo, gurukan. Sa kumangi mo, antana, jawo, mengi mo, milik, lekya ko, sayang, sa kumangi mo, Antana, Jawo, Mangimu, Mili, Leglaku, Sayang. Okay, so that's how we sing the song. You can repeat this part if you want to memorize this song. That's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned while listening to me. See you in my next videos. Goodbye.